Imagine waking up to the comforting aroma of freshly brewed coffee, mixed with the sweet and spiced scent of pumpkin. It's like capturing the magic of fall in your favorite mug. This easy pumpkin coffee recipe doesn't just give you a caffeine boost, it wraps you in a seasonal hug that turns an ordinary morning into something festive and energizing. Perfect for cozy autumn days or as a special treat any time of year, this drink will have you looking forward to getting out of bed. The charm of pumpkin coffee lies in its balance. Bold coffee flavor meets creamy pumpkin puree and a blend of warm spices. Unlike overly sweet coffee shop versions, this homemade recipe lets you control the sweetness and spice level, so every sip is just right for you. For 2 servings, you'll need 2 cups freshly brewed hot coffee, 1 cup whole milk, or your favorite plant-based milk, 4 tablespoons pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, 2 tablespoons brown sugar or maple syrup, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, or a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, whipped cream and extra pumpkin pie spice for topping, optional. In a small saucepan, combine the milk, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. Heat over medium-low, whisking continuously until hot but not boiling. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the hot coffee into 2 large mugs, then divide the pumpkin milk mixture evenly between them. Stir gently to combine. For a decadent touch, top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of pumpkin spice. If you prefer a frothier drink, use a milk frother or blender to whip the pumpkin milk mixture before adding it to your coffee. This creates a cafe-style latte experience right in your kitchen. This recipe works beautifully with cold brew coffee as well. Just chill the pumpkin milk mixture before combining for an iced version. You can also experiment with different sweeteners like honey, agave, or even sugar-free syrups for a keto-friendly twist. Pumpkin coffee isn't just about flavor, it's about the feeling it creates. Each sip brings warmth, comfort, and that unmistakable fall atmosphere. Whether you're enjoying it while watching the leaves change or using it as a morning pick-me-up before a busy day, it's a little reminder to savor the moment. So, will your first sip be enjoyed while wrapped in a blanket by the window, or as a to-go treat to brighten your morning commute?